Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain class 10, chapter 6, triangles, exercise 6.3, question number 8. So, it is AP new syllabus, Cbse syllabus 2024 to 25. So, here what the question 8 is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Okay, so show that triangle ABE is similar with triangle CFB. So here given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చడం ABCD అనేది ఏంటిదో parallelogram. Parallelogram అంటే opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So here given ABCD is a parallelogram. So what is called parallelogram? In a quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So that is here angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. So next angle B is equal to angle D. Next AB is parallel to DC. Next AD is parallel to CB. AD is parallel to BC. So here when AB is parallel to DC, then BF is a transversal line. Then angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. ఎందుకు alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So this angle and this angles are equal. So next AD and BF are meet at the point E, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, so angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. Why? Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Why ma? Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, triangle ABE is similar with triangle CFB. So therefore, hence rule. So here A rule by using angle similarity rule. In any two triangles, two angles are equal. The third angle is also equal. Next, in figure ABC and triangle AMP, two triangles right angle B and M respectively, prove that triangle ABC is similar with triangle AMP. So in these two triangles, in triangles ABC and triangle AMP, B at B is right angle, at M is right angle. So angle B is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degrees. So ఈ two triangles లో ABC లో angle A is common. Next AMP లో angle A is common. So angle A is equal to angle A. It is a common angle. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, triangle ABC is similar with triangle AMP. So A rule prakaram congruent to similar it is by using angle similarity rule. So angle A is a common, angle B is 90, angle M is 90. So when they are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So when two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So that is A, B, C. Next A, M, P. Angle is come. So the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That is AM by AB. AM by AB. Next MP by MP by BC. Next PA by CA. PA by CA. So here what they are asking that CA by PA is equal BC by MP. So take here నేను ఎలా తీసుకున్నాంటే మా ఏఎంపీ నుంచి ఏబిసి తీసుకున్నాను. సో ఇక్కడ రివర్స్ తీసుకుంటే మా ఏమొస్తుంది మీకు సిఏ బై పిఏ రెసిప్రోకల్. సో బై బీసీ బై ఎంపీ. సో నేను ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇలా తీసుకున్నా, మీరు ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇలా తీసుకుంటే మీకు ఇదే వస్తుంది. సో సిఏ బై పిఏ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ బీసీ బై ఎంపీ. దెర్ఫోర్ హెన్స్ ప్రూవ్డ్. సో ఎలా తీసుకుంటాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం ఏబి బై ఏఎం. నెక్స్ట్ బీసీ బై ఎంపీ. రేషియో ఆఫ్ ది కరెస్పాండింగ్ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. నెక్స్ట్ పిఏ బై సిఏ. సిఏ బై పిఏ. సో here they are asking that CA by PA is equal BC by MP. Therefore hence proved. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.